Word, Chapter 2, Lab 2, Creating a Flyer with a Resized Picture. Now, I have done instruction 1, 2, so we'll begin on 3. Change the theme to marquee. Go to Design, Colors, select marquee. Notice it has not done anything at this point, but it will bring up the different color schemes as we go along. 4. Add the bullets to the 3 paragraphs shown below. Okay? Highlight these, go to Home, your bulleted list, and select your bullet. It now says to center everything except for that list. So we're going to highlight everything but the list. So go Home, Paragraph, and Center. 5. Change the font of the heading to 36. Special Reading Treats is the heading. We're going to go Home and to Font. Change this to the drop-down menu of 20. We're going to go to 36. Next, we're going to change the font to Franklin Gothic Heavy. Home, Font, go down the menu to Franklin Gothic Heavy. Then we need to apply a text effect. Home, Font, your text effects and typographies. Click to bring the menu, and it asks for Fill Orange Accent 3 Sharp Bevel. 6. Change the font size of the body copy between the headline and the signature line to 20, which means we are going to go here, change to 20, except for the line above the bulleted list, which should be 24. So we're going to highlight this and go ahead and increase your font size to 24. Next is 7. Change the font size of the signature line to 22. Signature line, drop down menu, 22. Bold the text in the signature line. You can also click Control B to bold. Then it asks to change the font color of this signature line to Orange Accent 3. Under the same area, click your font color, go to Orange Accent 3, and select. Number 8, italicize the word personalized. Here. You can also press Control I, select. Number 9, bold the text above the bulleted list. Highlight, bold. Again, you can also use Control B. 10. Underline the text Junior's Wedding Bakery. Highlight those. You can also use Control U. 11. Shade the line above the bulleted list, which would be this. Your shading is going to be under Home, Paragraph, and your shading. We're going to click on it and go to Orange Accent 3. Notice that the font did not change to white automatically, so we're going to go to Home, go to your font color, and go to White Background 1. Next, 11, we are now going to go to number 12. Change the zoom so that the entire page is visible. You want to go to View, One Page. Notice that the entire document is visible without you having to scroll. Now, we're going to go ahead and change it back to 100 so that way we can see exactly where we're working at. Number 13. So now we're going to insert the picture. We want to put our insertion point here and click Enter so that way the image will be placed below the Specialty Wedding Treats. go to Insert, Pictures, select the pictures that you want. Now we're going to insert the second image. We're going to scroll down and we're going to enter and backspace twice so that the insertion point lines up with the edge of the picture. Go back to Insert, Pictures, find the second image and select. Number 14, resize the top picture to 2.8 by 539. So select the top image. Under the picture tool format, there's a size. We're going to delete and put 2.8, delete 5.39 and enter. We are now going to apply the soft edge oval picture style. Still under the format, we're going to go to Picture Styles, click Soft Edge Oval. Next, we are going to apply the Offset Right Shadow Picture Effect. We want to go to Picture Effects, Shadow, and we're going to go to Offset Right. Now we're going to resize the bottom to 1.5 by 4.05. So we're going to scroll down, select the image. Notice that the Format tab appears. We're going to go to Size. We're going to do 1.5. We're going to delete that 4.05 and enter. We are now going to apply a simple frame black picture style. I'm going to go to the picture styles, click, and go to simple frame black. Select. Number 15, change the spacing after the paragraph containing the bakery name. After bakery, we're going to go to Home. We're going to go to your paragraph, line and spacing after, click, and we're going to remove spacing after paragraph. And notice it brings that up a little bit. Go to the same. Now we're going to change the spacing after to 12 points. We're going to go to After, delete 8 and put 12 and select OK. The entire flyer should fit on a single page, but if it doesn't, fix your formatting, paragraph spacing, so that way it does. Here, after Special, do the same thing and remove space after paragraph. Now everything fits onto one page. Number 16. Add the page border to show the same as in figure 1-78. We're going to go to Design, Page Borders, and it says use the color Gold Accent 5. So we're going to go to the colors and we're going to look up Gold Accent 5. Select. Then we are going to go and find the style that is listed on the flyer in your book. And I know it's really hard to see, but it's actually these little double squiggly lines. So we're going to select. Notice how this matches with the image that's in your text. We are then going to select OK to add that border. Go to View 100% and notice what our border looks like now that we have applied it to our document. Okay. Okay, number 17. Center the page contents vertically. So we're going to go to Page Layout, and under Page Setup, we're going to go to More, Under layout and page, it says vertical alignment. We now have it up at top. We're going to select the menu, go down to center, and click OK. Number 18, change the bakery name to your last name, which this is not requested by me, so go ahead and skip. So then we want to save the flyer again with the same flyer name. So we're going to go back to view. Nope. We're going to go to, one page, so that way we can see the entire document. And I'm going to double check that everything looks good. Nope, we missed that our picture here needs to be centered. Now we're good to go. So you want to click File. Since we've already saved it at the beginning, you don't need to save as. You'll just want to save. Another way to save your document is up here at your quick toolbar, your quick access toolbar. You're going to go to this little floppy drive and click Save. You have now completed Lab 2, creating a flyer with a resized picture.